Welcome to our cozy, rustic chic family room, where warmth and comfort come together to create the perfect space for relaxation and quality time with loved ones. Today, we're excited to share with you how we've designed this inviting space and provide you with inspiration and ideas to recreate a similar ambiance in your own home. From the comfortable seating to the decorative accents, every element in this room has been carefully chosen to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. As you can see, our family room features a stunning stone fireplace as its centerpiece. This beautiful focal point not only adds warmth, but also creates a cozy atmosphere, perfect for chilly evenings or family movie nights. The plush sectional sofa in a neutral tone provides ample seating and is arranged to encourage conversation and togetherness. The rustic chic aesthetic is enhanced by the reclaimed wood coffee table, which adds a touch of natural elegance to the space. Notice how the sofa is positioned to create a conversational circle, making it easy to chat with family and friends. To complement our rustic chic theme, we've chosen decor and accessories that reflect the warmth and coziness of the space. Vintage items, natural textiles, and earthy tones all contribute to the inviting ambiance. Notice the blend of modern and vintage pieces. This mix creates a unique and personalized look that's both stylish and welcoming. We've also added some greenery to the space, which not only purifies the air, but also adds a touch of natural beauty. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Here we've used a combination of overhead lighting, table lamps, and string lights to create a warm and cozy glow. This layered lighting approach ensures the space feels inviting at any time of day. We've also used floor lamps to create pools of light, which helps to create a sense of intimacy and coziness. A family room must be both beautiful and functional. We've incorporated storage solutions that blend seamlessly with the design, keeping the space clutter-free and organized. Additionally, the sectional sofa provides comfortable seating for everyone. We've also added some throw blankets and pillows to the space, which not only add color and texture, but also provide a cozy touch. One of the key elements that makes this space so cozy is the use of textures. We've incorporated a variety of textures, including wood, stone, and fabric, to create a rich and inviting atmosphere. We've also used rugs to add warmth and comfort underfoot. Notice how the rugs help to define the different areas of the room, creating a sense of separation and intimacy. Thank you for joining us in our cozy, rustic chic family room. We hope this tour has inspired you to create your own warm and welcoming space for family and friends to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more home decor ideas and tours.